Yeah. Pine Tree Trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle. Market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, till the doubt disappeared. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex Trader 5, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5. Keep it lucid, we out.
Yeah. Well. I'm on a mission, the market's my canvas. Pine Tree Trader, that's the name, no need for the panic. Got my screens lit, watching the price move. Every tick, every chart, I'm in my groove. See an inside bar, that's a sign of a pause. The market's holding its breath, it's a break from the laws. Squeeze it up tight, coiling for a big move. I'm patient, I'm watching, got nothing to prove. Wait for the...
Yo, what is up? What's up? What is going on, everyone? There's the chat. See you, chat. What's going on? Here we go. Right with you guys. Let's go. Who we got in here? Corey, 2S, Tony Gold, Dynamite, Russell Singh, Rhonda in the house. Is this going to be a crazy age session or what? This day's been a lot. It's been a lot. I traded a lot. Quite a bit this afternoon. Traded this morning a lot, and then I traded, skipped the whole lunch, came back. Power hour, traded some then too. Rage GT, Dynamite, oh, thank you, buddy. Son of Wall Street in the house. Eric Lake, what is up, Cato? Pat's Trader Daryl, DL Smith. Oh, good seeing me this morning. Thank you so much. Thanks for being there. Yeah, I did a little pre My Funded Future stream this morning. If you guys caught that, it was pretty awesome. We ended up I ended up smashing about $950 this morning on stream. So nice little pre-market action. Cave Trader in house. Yo, Jim, Eric Lake. Let's go. Sleepy Mocha. Third time seeing pine today. Is this a good thing or too much pine? I ask myself the same question sometimes. I go, is it too much? Happy in the house. Kelly Kaufman. Can we do a sell limit at the high? I know. It's crazy. Forex pips for life in the house. Digital nukes. What is up? What's up? So today, I had a pretty good day. Overall, I was kind of on fire with my trading. Now, it could all go south here at any moment. But I had a really good day. Ended up, once again, getting another daily payout with trade day. 250 bucks. That was it. So before the market opens, let's request real quick. Take profit has been really quick. I know. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Here we go. More monies. On the streak. Take profit trader. I mean, trade day. Sorry, trade day. But yeah, I've been on this little win streak here. I'm just looking for 250 bucks a day times 3. 250 bucks times 3 every day. Which ends up right around after commissions. It ends right up around 600 bucks a day. So that's what I've been going for, and that's all I've been going for. So we'll request then, and they are not as fast as Take Profit Trader. They're not. So who else we got? Kelly Kaufman in the house. Little Wang Jam. Yeah, Take Profit Trader's been really good. Sovereignty in the house. What's up, Sovereignty? I got an email saying you got your account. How'd you do on it today? I'm winning so much. I'm tired of winning. There's too much winning. Too much winning. Just hit lose it up for a payout. Less than 5 minutes for max payout to hit the bank. Let's go. Yeah, it's really fast. My Funded Futures is like that too, Brian. Yeah, they both got the technology down to a science, which we love that. Johnny buys land. Pine payout time, yes. Does trade day work? Payout work at the same take profit? Does it pay out to wallet then the bank, or go straight to the bank? Straight to the bank. No, that's a lie. Straight to RiseWorks. So for me, I don't know if it's changed, but it goes straight to RiseWorks, which is that third-party payout processor. And then from RiseWorks, I have to transfer it into my bank. But once it goes to RiseWorks, I can sign into RiseWorks and ACH right to my bank immediately. So that's nice. Didn't trade it today. That's okay. There's fast and then there's lucid fast. That's right. Did you get the email on Lucid Pro I got, Pine? No, I don't think so. Or what do you mean? That you use my code, Pine? Hey, Bear Trader in the house. I love the fact that Take Profit goes to the wallet. I can use it towards tax advantage. Nice. Little Wang Jane. Yeah. I love Take Profit Trader daily payouts to the wallet because you don't have to make a certain amount. Like, you don't need to make $250. You can make $100 on each account. Half of it. Oh, thank you, Johnny Buys Land. Appreciate that. Using code PINE with Lucid. Thanks, guys. Been crushing it with the Lucids. Hey, what's up, Stevie J in the house? So anyways, what else did I do? Oh, I need $50 to pass this account. How hard can it be? Made $8.75 on this one that we bought last night. This one I need $50 to pass. I passed a My Funded Futures. Passed a My Funded Futures. Rapid. Today. activated it, and then I couldn't quite get it to pay out, but I made $1,572 on it. And you can see I traded a lot this afternoon. Like I said, power hour. This was me trading. So lots of trades. And the reason, because it's intraday trailing, so I have to scalp. I scalp. So you can see right here, 85% win rate, $90 average winning trade. No, sorry. Average winning trade 125, average losing trade 195. Little negative R&R there, but 85% win rate, and I did 21 trades during the power hour, and with minis. So all with minis. To try to get over that trailing drawdown, the intraday trailing. So I did a lot of scalping, in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. So not a bad day. Pretty good. I got my first TBT using code PINE. Let's go. Russell Singh. TJP in the house. Zero. What's going on? Sparta, what's up? Is Tesla going to spill over? I hope so. I want some movement tonight. Me too. I've been getting consistent payouts, but for the month of March, none. Then dial back, size down. Now taking steady payouts. Hope it stays this way and not get greedy. Nice. Yeah, if you're just getting consistent daily payouts, trading small with micros, no reason to change. No reason to try to go bigger or try to get greedy, which tends to creep into all of us sometimes. It's all about the consistency. Once you're over the buffer, it's just about being consistent. All right, I need $50 to pass this account. Can I do it? How hard can it be? Markets open up. Good luck, good luck, good luck. Smash that like button before we get going. Let's go. I usually trade one NQ mini when funded. I like minis. Yeah, for the most part. Sometimes I'll size down to micros, depending on how I'm feeling on the day, Mantis. If I'm feeling off, and I trade every day, pretty much. I mean, for one, I kind of have to. It's my job, and but yeah, I pretty much trade every day, and so sometimes I'm not feeling it. I'll size down. All right, I need $50 here. Little gap down. Get rid of this. All right, got it. Bang, passed. Thank you. All right, that account is passed officially. Now I'll get rid of this copy trader. And we'll do this. We'll get rid of we'll trade this account now. So that's the first take profit trader account. Got to get back on the take profit trader train, you know? I mean, I'm on it. I just keep falling off. Keep falling off the train. Yo, Coach Fred in the house. What's going on? Little $900 off the bat. Let's go. All right, getting a little pullback. We got a little gap down. So, like you guys said, a little gap down. Market's so bullish. Is this Tesla pulling back, you know? Is that what this is? The market is just so bullish. I'm going to hop in long here, look for the gap. Fill. Might even add into it. On this eval only. Just past one. Let's see if we can make a little on another. No real setup here. I'm gonna add into it. We get down in the 70s again. Adding. Still looking like it wants to pull back. Market overall, look at the hourly chart. Just super, super bullish. Did we leave any zero prints to the upside? Just one, actually. Nothing major. Inside bar in a 2-minute. Let's get up there and get above that 80 level. Come on. I just don't believe in the gap down, to be honest with you guys. I just don't believe in it. There it goes. Made a little bit on my funded future account. Trading my funded futures and take profit right now. Oof. Slammed back down. There we go. Back up 27,850 here. What's up, Miss K? John King in the house. Peter, what's going on? Any got payouts today? Yes. Every day, actually, Peter. Yeah, I've been crushing it. Daily payouts, so nothing. No like Lucid or Tradeifys or Apex payouts lately, but Trade Day and My Funded Futures daily payouts. So we took another Trade Day one today. Ryan Wiggins, what's up? Tesla's turning red. I know. I see that, but I don't believe in it. Margaret, it just keeps going up. I'm gonna take one off here at 92.25 at this zero print right here. Bang, just took one off. Okay. Long 27.076. Up 15 points right now off that second ad. Looking for the gap fill. What's ES doing? Any gap? No gap on ES either. That's a good sign. No gap on ES. I don't have a Dow chart. What's going on? No gap on the Dow either. So look for Nasdaq to finish that off. Come on, get up there. What do we have for the gap? Low 104, 104. Yeah, I'll look for 103. Come on, it's only 10 points away. Just do it. Oh, sorry, Peter. Have I got Builder? I haven't even tried it yet, Peter. Yeah, I haven't even tried the Builder account. Thank you for using code PINE, though. Yeah, I've yet to pick up an account. I might pick up an account soon. But I'm just working on that Rapid. Trying to get a payout on that bad boy. Took me a minute to get one passed. I had one almost passed a few days ago and then blew it about 3 minutes before I had to hop on my Funny Future stream. It sucked really bad. I was like, oh man. I took a $150 scalp on 5MNQ on the dip. Let's go. That's a nice scalp, 150 bucks with 5 micros. Hey, what's going on, Josh? Market only goes higher. I know, John King. Yeah, that's how it feels. A lot of buying the dips today. It's not gonna make it easy though. We kind of knew it this morning when we were trading or streaming, and all of a sudden the market just, you guys remember, it just took off out of nowhere with no news. That was this morning pre-market. Right here on this this candle right here at 908. It's 5 minute, this 2 minute candle. It just ripped out of nowhere, and then it came back, consolidated, and then ripped out of nowhere again. And then all of a sudden we've pretty much have gone straight up and to the right since then. If you guys remember that. And I was thinking, yeah, that could be a sign. I was thinking this could be a sign of something. It's so weird how the market's been. All right, market, what are you doing? 30 point range. Russell, you're done after that? Yeah, nasty market, high resistance. Socials, what's going on? Miss K, good to see you, Miss K. Kelly Kaufman, I've been getting up at like 1 a.m. for London. It's been absolutely banging lately. Oh, nice. Before the bell. What's up, Sports Dawn in the house? How was my day today? It was great, Josh. Yeah, more trade day daily payouts, and then pass some accounts, and also tried to make some progress on the My Funded Futures Rapid after I passed it. So instant activation with the My Funded Futures, which is nice. Same with Lucid, same with Tradeify now. We'll take that all day, every day. Yeah, it's crazy. Market is nuts. I like this little bull flag break. I might add into this trade here. Already up 530. Unrealized. Got to get through this little pine line here. Just looking at a little bull flag here. Maybe we can break up through there. Chop kind of day. Yeah, it was. I managed to play the chop pretty well. Getting choppy right now. I know lunchtime was terrible. Lunchtime, I was looking at the 5-minute. Look at this, nasty. This was right after I hopped off stream at 10:30. And then look at these outside bars, inside bars, chop mess. This was insane. This nasty sideways action. That was gross. Come on. Looks like it's failing here so far. Just need to stay above the VWAP, which is that yellow line. Sold Tesla today, 405, and I'm buying a dip again. Oh, let's go. Apex extended the sale. Oh, yes. Yeah, I will. We got till May, too, so thanks, Coach Fred. Apex extended the sale. $69 for the PA activation fee, too. So 90% off on the 50K account, $69 activation fee. So we like that on the 50K. Use code PINE with Apex. $69 all the time. Let's go. Oh, $69 only for intraday. Okay. Thank you for specifying, guys. Intraday only for the activation. Which, kind of bites, but I mean, I don't really mind the intraday that much with Apex. With Apex, the way I got the 50K in payouts with them this year was just taking two $300 days base hits and literally just looking for scalps like I was doing with trade day right now, looking for $250, and then calling it. So every day I would just try to do one of those little base hits. Guys, I was freezing all day today. It's 35 degrees, and it warmed up. I think it was actually like 30 degrees, then it warmed up to 40 degrees. It's absolutely not spring here. I was gonna start the wood stove. It's so bad. There we go. Come on, give me that 103. Is that the gap fill? Why am I seeing something different? Why is it 2 minute show? What am I looking at wrong here? I mean, yeah. Oh, because that's the close. That's the close. So we're actually 10 points from the close. That's why. But as far as the open gap, we just filled. Any single prints out there? Not really. Not yet. There was earlier. We got stove going on Cape Cod. Let's go, Steve. Oh yeah, it's been cold. 90% off all evals. Yeah. Looking for the full gap fill, maybe. I guess now. I might have. See, 103 is the gap. Okay. Because it pushed right up, and on this, you can see it nearly filled that full gap at 99. Or what's the low of that? Yeah, 99. It went up to 98, pulled back. Still long. No gap on ES, no gap on YM. Still an open gap here on Nasdaq, which is what I'm going based off from. Front run that just a little bit, that 103, just 102.50 in case we get a little spread here. Up 610 on this trade, or 660 on this account, unrealized. Little outside bar here, let's keep it going. Outside bar, or inside bar on 2 minute, outside bar on a 5 minute. Love to see it. If we break 98, then I think we get it. Hot in Louisiana, I bet. Yeah. Hot in the old bayou, huh? Took half off playing the gap fill. Let's go, Yo Jim. I'm at 102.75. Andy Wills in the house. Hate to be a Debbie Downer, but I'm 100% looking for a short overnight. There's no way the nonsense keeps going. It's free. Yeah. Oh, I hear you. I hear you. I'd like to short it too. Just right now, I think we fill the gap. It's more of a guess than anything. I guess my way in and I guess my way out. Shout out 0 day. Not yet, but Londonish. We're due. We're definitely due. Closely watching another account here too. Come on. Let's go, let's go. Being stubborn here. We're chilling. Rejected off that 27,098. Looking for 102.50. 103 is the gap, the open gap fill. All-time highs. Market's so bullish that I really don't see us leaving that. 249 people watching, 48 likes. Guys, do me a favor, smash that like button. Let's help the YouTube algorithm. Appreciate everyone being here. Come on, come on. Holding the 5-minute orb. Yeah. Take a look at this 5 here. Well, we never broke that 98 on the NQ. Really would like to have seen that broke. 2-minute outside bar too. Five-minute inside bar. Oh, gotta have a lot of patience in this trade. A lot of patience. Inside bar in 2-minute. So it's literally gone flat here. 27,091 is where we're at. What's ES doing? Nothing. What is gold doing? ES is so flat. Look how flat ES is right now. It's literally not doing anything. Gold pushing down. How do I know the low target, long or shorts? Right now I'm looking for the open gap fill. So the market opened up with a gap, and what the market likes to do is it tends to come back and repair these areas, but it doesn't have to be right now, you know. But it generally will always come back and repair the open gap. And ES, where it opened up, it didn't have a gap. So I'm looking at Nasdaq, where it opened up and there's literally a space right here. There has nothing. So there's like that space that I'm looking for it to fill. So I just ended up just hopping in long as soon as we had that push down. You see I added into it, and then took some out. So I'm actually up 300 something on this account. But we are getting that push down now. See if we can hold that VWAP. Rolling over here. Added another contract. If it's gonna be this stubborn, I'm gonna make it pay if it pays me. Looks like it wants to go lower. And 3 minis now. No bueno. Hey investors, what's going on? Might break a new low before closing the gap. It could, yeah, Silva, for sure. Felt like it was gonna go on that push, but Hey Tim Korth, what's up? Only down 162. Looks like buyers are trying to step in right now. Trying. $27,082 Nasdaq. ES sitting at 71.60.50. No Harami here on a 2. Come on, let's hold it above this 80. Get over 85. Right at 50% of the range. Good point, Andy. Do we finally get a decent drop of a bear, investors? I don't know. We could. Seems. God, look at this daily chart. I mean, insane, right? Nasdaq sitting right at unchanged at the moment. Sitting right at the market open. You see it unchanged right here. It's right at the neutral spot. You hate buying? When we're at all-time highs, it's tough. It's definitely tough. All right, let's break that 85 now. Possible Harami candle. All right, back at my entry, my average entry. All right, let's get above 86, 87. Break this Harami. Nice little drop off this outside bar in a 2-minute too. It's being one of those. It could be one of those nights where I go, "Man, I should have just took my outside bar or inside bar and called it instead of doing the I think play. I think we're gonna fill the gap." We're hovering right at the VWAP, which is right at 85. And this is right where we're stuck at the moment. Oh, sitting on your hands. I don't blame you, investors. Blew my funded with this. Yeah. Bullish JLD 54, let's go. Yeah, for sure. Looking for 96.50. Nice. I think we could get up there. I think we could go right through. Should have known better than mess around with the all-time highs. Yeah. Do you use that DOM on the right for limit entries? Yeah, I do. I've always had it on the chart, Dynamite. I've always had this on the chart, so I pretty much just I'm just so used to seeing it and used to trading off it that that's why I have it. Ever since I started trading back in 2021, I had put this on the chart, the DOM, and I've never taken it off. In the Harami candle, do you want? Well, I wanted to see. I like to break, but really, how I trade Haramis is when they make a new high or a low. So in this case, it didn't make a new low because the low is down there at 76. So, but that's how I trade them. So I make for a new high or low, and then I'll take the break. So if it made a new low, then I'm looking for a long, and then I'll take the break off the buy side. That's how I trade them, if I trade them. But I haven't really been trading them that much. I've just been mainly just trading outside bars. Which, this one, the 5 minute, sort of broke below this outside bar. But it's... which means, you know, I don't love it. I don't love this long. Because everything right now, to me... yeah, another 2 minute outside bar broke to the downside. So far we're just kind of coasting down. I need one of these to fail and put in another outside bar and then have it rip. That's what I'd like to see. Something like this. Now if it goes above 86, 87, that would be probably a pretty good sign for our long, where you get those 2 consecutive outsides, which is pretty rare sight. If it gets above, if it gets like up to 80, it's not gonna do it on the 2, but tweet, yeah, just tweet something, please. Tweet. Another ceasefire. There we go. Nice move there. I like that move. It's a big failure on that 2 minute outside bar down at the low. Big failure there. Magnet's so strong. Whip out the magnets. Yeah. Whip out the rare earth magnets. Now I don't want to see it fail here. If this starts to fail and break back down, that would be a bad sign for the longs, for the bulls. Get back up there. Big rejection once again. Could be another outside bar here. CL breaking to the downside. That would be a good sign. That could be a good sign for us. Yeah, it kind of is. CL is breaking down. It'd be a good sign for my Nasdaq long. Why don't I use join bid market orders versus market orders? It just moves so fast sometimes. It doesn't. I don't know. I don't. It doesn't really bother me. On ES, I'll use it a lot for some reason, but Nasdaq, I just hop in, hop out. Engulfing candle, yes, Sammy, exactly. Outside bar and engulfing candle, pretty much the same. It's just on this indicator, it's called inside outside bars, so that's why I call it that way. So on this indicator, it's called inside outside bars, so I call them outsides. But yeah. Well, made $65 on the remaining 5 lots. I'm gonna sit out and look for a deeper pullback. Good luck, thank you. Hope it rips. I know. Trend line over the top, so show potential trouble area. It could, yeah. Well, you got in there 3 minis? Yeah, 3 minis. Yeah, just passed an account. Now I'm trading this account, trying to get this passed as well, or at least get it to 50%. $1,500, which would pretty much do it if we could go to my target towards that open gap. But it's I have a feeling it's just gonna dick around until we get there. How did I do Offrey today? It was a great day. Yeah, really good day. Ended up passing a My Funded Future Rapid. Made some money on that account once it was passed. Got $600 in my pocket for a daily payout, and then passed this Take Profit Trader account and made 800 on this one. Just passed this one and made 800. Well, pretty much passed this one. I only needed 50 and then made 800 on this one, so it was a good day. Yeah, I crushed it today. I pretty much traded on stream all day except Power Hour. Power Hour got a little wild. So if you guys caught my morning streams, we're crushing it. The only trade that I lost, that I actually got dumbfounded and lost, was that news candle, that tweet candle. Go to the 5 here. Was this. This candle right here in 905. We were breaking down. We broke this outside bar in a 5 minutes, so I went short and it just ripped up. Luckily I had a stop at 39 and it ripped up to 75 out of nowhere. So that was a bad one. And I almost lost it. I almost lost pretty good on My Funded Futures TV, but I ended up making it back. I only needed $400 to pass the account, and I hopped in with 2 minis, which I never do on stream, especially on My Funded Futures TV. I ended up hopping in with 2 minis, and I took a $700 hit, $800 hit. I was like, oh. And then I hopped in again with 2 minis on a different setup, and I made back like 1,000 or something like that. I never do that on My Funded Futures TV because, you know, it's a prop firm and I don't want to be like full degenerate on it. You know, I trade my setups, but I don't want to be like, oh, I'm hopping in with 5 minis, you know. What TBT counts do I recommend, Corey Smith? Personally, I like the 50Ks. It's kind of my sweet spot, 50K accounts. A lot of people like the 25Ks and 150s. I don't like anything in between that. But I do probably my best with the 50K accounts. We need a bazooka up. We get the top of the hour here in just a few minutes. Or 10 minutes. Maybe we get a little something. I mean, we're just chopping on the VWAP now. It's just ridiculous. This nice move up, I thought, okay, we're just gonna fill the gap and then it can just do whatever it wants. Come down, hang out, go sideways. I didn't really care. Now I'm in this trade for 50 minutes now. Tesla gave back all the earnings gains. That's crazy. It went up like 4%, didn't it? Right off the rip. I heard it went up like 4%. Gave it all back. Well, now it gave it all back. The market can just continue to do what it was been doing for the last week and a half. Go straight up. Tesla's down 1.2% now. Oof. You're up 1,200 on Tesla. Let's go, Russell Singh. There we go. Here's a little move here. Finally. Little outside, inside bar, 5 minute. Am I taking advantage of the Apex 90% off and 69 PA fee? Yeah, I will. Meta risk. Yeah, I will. Before the sale ends. The sale goes till the end of the week as far as the $69 PA fee. But that's the intraday accounts, guys. Keep in mind that's the intraday accounts. I don't want you guys to buy end of day accounts and go, oh, the PA fee is higher than I thought. So just make sure it's the if you want that cheap activation. Athen got tired. I closed my eyes. 20 minutes, woke up and just missed a rip up. Locked myself out of the account so I didn't chase. Let's go, J Ray. Isn't that lockout button sweet? Where you can just lock yourself out for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever. It's nice to take advantage of that. I did it yesterday on the trade day. If I didn't do it on trade day yesterday, I bet I would have blown my accounts. Because I was up for a daily payout and then I dropped below and I was down 500 and then I went back up 700 bucks to lock in that daily payout, and then I was like, at that point I was like, all right, I got 250, lock it out. Couldn't trade that account for the rest of the day, so I probably would have cooked them. I don't know, I was feeling a little bit, I don't want to say tilty, but just felt aggressive. Yeah, you gotta pass it by Friday. Yeah, it's one of those deals. So yeah, you gotta kind of have the full port it, really, as far as the Apex activation code. I don't know, if you're a newer trader, I really wouldn't recommend trying to do that. Just if you pick up any accounts, just trade them. Pick up the end of days, just trade them like you normally would, and trying to full port them. You definitely wouldn't be able to pass them in this market. Definitely not an intraday account. No way. You need quick, fast, one direction movements to pass intraday accounts in one shot. You know, when you're just chopping around, going back and forth, it's impossible. You banned, yeah. We gold bunch, Genie. Lockout button. It's got me 8 green deals in a row on the new XFA. Let's go. Took a 2K payout. Congratulations. Anyone know if TPT has a minimum hold time per trade? Didn't see anything on the site. Thanks. No, they don't. Real sharp trades. You can pretty much trade however you want as long as you don't hedge. As long as you don't hedge, you're good. Even if you accidentally hedge, you'll lose your account. So don't even accidentally hedge by mistake. My issue has been Asia and London. Lots of trades to end up and down a couple hundred during New York. I think I'm done for the tonight. Just gonna wait for New York pre-market. I don't blame you, J Ray. Thanks for hanging out. Yeah. Dan has strong feelings about that, but I disagree. Dan got banned a long time ago, I think. Wasn't it quite a while ago, Dan? But it's all good. May of 2024, yeah, that's what I thought. It was quite a long time ago. 2024. Staying hanging out with more support. Let's go, J Ray. Appreciate you. Miss K says smash that like button too. Yeah, I think you can, Clyde. Yeah, still take advantage of it. Yep. Hey, simplistic videos. Good evening from Montclair, New Jersey. Doing great. Yeah, just having a good. Thanks, Dan. Love you too, man. Yeah, doing great. Every time I see simplistic videos, I think of a video store for some reason. Think of a like an old video store where you used to go on a Friday night to rent movies. Like a Blockbuster, right? Oh, we're still fading down here. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Yeah, we didn't have any Blockbusters in Maine. The only one that was in Maine was down in southern Maine, down in Westbrook, Portland area. And it was like a special treat if we ended up going to the Blockbuster. So we had all these like local movie stores, like I think it was called the Movie Gallery. Hey, what's up, Smokey? 100% going down. Yeah, that's what it feels like. That's what it feels like. Hollywood Video too, yeah. Yeah, we had this one called, yeah, it was called the Movie Gallery. I remember. I probably still have a late fee there. But boy, that was like, it was such a good time, you know, when you were younger. Be able to go to on the weekend to go to the movie store to rent a movie. Friday night, let's go rent a movie. Yeah. You know? 90s kids. There's probably people in the chat right now that have never been into a movie store. If you're listening right now and you've never been to a movie store to rent a movie, say what's up. I'm just curious. I know there's got to be someone that's young enough right now that's never went and rented a movie. How about a drive-in? We still got them up in Maine. We've got a few. Clyde, you still have a Blockbuster there? So I've seen that movie. That documentary. There's a documentary about it, right? I'm old enough to remember when most of the videos were porn shops. Yeah. Did you rewind the movie before bringing it back? Yeah. There's only one left. I think there's only one left. Yeah. What are the best deals for My Funny Futures? I just updated that actually. Propcodeshub.com, your one-stop shop. gotta wait for it to scroll through. I thought there was a way I could scroll this faster. I don't have to change that. Come on, let's get that push here. 90s now. And if I was real lucky when I went to the movie store, the movie rental place, if I was super lucky, I was able to rent a video game system. That was big time. Like to be able to rent a PlayStation or something and then rent video games. That's usually what I wanted to do, is rent video games. Oh, did I forget to update it? No, it's 30% off. I didn't update them all, apparently. I was doing it just before the stream here. I'm so bad at it. My funded futures right here. 30% off rapid pro accounts. 20% off rapid accounts. 40% off the builder when you use code PINE. N64. I had a... I used to go to my buddies to play the N64. Top of the hour magic, hopefully. Oh, that's what that little push was. I take it. Are we surviving this? Barely. But that's pretty awesome that there's one block. Have some Redbox DVDs. I've never rented off the Redbox. No, I did get Netflix through the mail. That was a pain in the ass. I was working for the post office then, and we had to separate all those DVDs that you got through the mail. There's probably people listening right now that don't even remember the DVDs through the mail with Netflix. Man, we're getting old, guys. We're getting old. You remember the Netflix in the mail? Yeah. You used to work at the post office, KB the closer? Let's go. What was your position? Do I remember Quickster before they combined it? No, I don't. They still offer Netflix in the mail? Oh, really? Betamax tapes? All right, no, that's too much for me. Did my post office had a nuclear bomb shelter? Yeah, it was. You were a carrier? Me too. I was a rural carrier. Were you a city carrier? I was a rural. Yeah, 15 years. There's a whole subdivision that only ex-postmen can live. All right, sign me up. Sign me up, Polk County man in Florida. Whole subdivision that only ex-postmen. I don't know if I'd... That might be a little scary, though. Remember having the voting mail just sitting there months after the election? Shh, we can't talk about that. Can't talk about that. What's up, Matthew Wins? I'm old enough to remember when movies were beamed directly into our brains. Yeah. Yeah, the Netflix through the mail, it was crazy. We used to, I mean, just have trays and trays of them. Postman in Florida is no joke, yeah. Apple, your mail lady's low-key baddie. That's funny. Well, guys, I don't know. It does not want to go up. What's it going to do? It's going to drop, maybe. I don't know. Newman's the postal god. He was. Could I explain the inside-outside bar strategy? Sure, I'll just explain it real quick. Outside bar, like right here on this 2-minute chart, you basically just go short. Stop goes above. So you go short as soon as it breaks down below it. Stop goes above. Inside bar, same thing. You have an inside bar, you would short it just below it. Stop goes above the inside bar, whichever one you trade. I trade 5-minute inside bars generally. I don't really trade the 2-minute inside bars, even though they do work pretty well. But mostly outside bars on the 2 and the 2-minute. Actually, right now we're breaking the 5-minute outside bar again, right here. So if you were to take the short, you would just place the stop above, see what happens. I'm already long. I've been long since the market opens, looking for the gap fill, but it might be a real bad idea, to be honest with you. Who else we got in here? The TV movies of the week. I tried to beat the mail back rule. Netflix all the time. Yeah, I remember watching the whole Sopranos series through Netflix DVDs, and you would constantly have to update your queue, you know? And sometimes you'd be watching like season 5, episode 2 through 4, and you'd have that DVD, and then they would send you the next one available, and it'd be like 8 through 10, and you'd be like, what? And then so you'd have to wait because you know you have to watch them in order. That was annoying. Former Government Workers United retired state 20-year state prison. Let's go, Cali, St. Louis fan. I think we have another subscriber that works in prison. Oh, I can't. TJP. I don't know if he's still listening. TJP, I think, works in is a guard, I think. If I remember correctly. That's gonna be a tough gig. I salute you guys. I mean, that seems rough. They're always hiring at the main state prison. They're always hiring there. Now lately, they're always hiring at the post office. You always see the signs up, but main state prison, it's like a guaranteed hire. Good gig though, like provides a good living for a lot of people around here. That and Bath Iron Works. Bath Iron Works in Maine is a huge been to prison not for work. Do you guys know each other? Yeah, I've never been to jail, never been arrested. Hey, what's up, Nate? Good to see you, man. Sim went to prison with a .02 lot active. When he got out, it was 2.9K. Yeah, that's funny. Cool cats inside. Yeah, I mean, people make mistakes. Listen, I'm friends with a lot of felons. I'm friends with a lot of felons, and the most of it's non-violent, you know, stuff, and they are the salt of the earth, really. I mean, I could call them up today, they'd come help me out or whatever. And, you know, a lot of it was either alcohol or driving under the influence, stuff like that. Drugs maybe, but good guys. Just got in trouble. Just had some problems. White collar felons, yeah. Those that stuff's kind of crazy. Spending one night in jail when I was 19, never going back. Biochem? Yeah, I don't blame you. You know who else went to jail? You know who else is a jailbird? Methodical Man. We know Methodical Man's a jailbird. He's talked about it on his stream, so I'm not saying anything out of context here. That's not much for a felony, I know. But when you get caught driving drunk like 4 times, it turns into a felony apparently. You know, that kind of stuff. PW2, yeah, that's right. Oh, you got put in jail for car racing on the highway? Yeah. I mean, I've done dumb things, not car, but I mean, I've done stupid stuff on the highway as well. I bought a new Harley and I had to test it out, see what it would do. You know, cranking 110, 120 miles an hour, which is all a Harley wanted to do. It's not like a crotch rocket where you'll do like 200. You know, I've done stuff like that, but I've never been much into car racing. Never had a car that could race. I showed guys, here's my car right here. I tweeted it this morning. All right, we're getting that push up now. 2-minute outside bar, I like it. Here's my car right here. I said I couldn't decide if I wanted to take my 2000 Saturn SL2 for lunch or my 05 Corolla. So I took my Corolla. This thing is got 220,000 miles on it, and I just can't kill it. So that was me today. That's my Corolla. I love that car. What was your Harley? So I've had a few. I've had a night train. Remember those night trains? I've had the I actually had a Sportster for a bit, 1200, and then I had a what the hell was it? A Softail. It was a 2003 Softail, the anniversary edition. But then I bought a Harley Night Train. That was my favorite bike. The Harley Night Train. It wasn't a Heritage. It was the I want to say maybe it was a custom Softail. What the hell was that thing called? I totally forgot. Very much like a Springer, but it wasn't a Springer. Yeah, it was very much like a Springer. Yeah, let's see. Softail anniversary. It was like this. It was like this right here. Except mine was all black. But it had that stripe. Yeah, it was just like this, actually. But mine was all black and it had the silver stripe. Softail Deuce, I guess it was called. So that was my first one of my first Harleys, and then I had my Night Train was badass. See if I can find a picture. Yeah, this picture right here, I pulled this up before on stream. This bike right here, that was my bike right there. Pretty much exactly like that. That was my favorite bike. That thing was freaking awesome. It looked so badass. I had different pipes on it. I had the Vance and Hines that curled like that, and then I didn't have this air cleaner. It had a little pointy air cleaner, and I also had flush mounts on the tank, so it was all flush mounted. So I had to flush mount gas caps, but I had the ape hangers on it. I had this was black. The headlight I had black, and then I had it lowered because I'm short. I'm only 5'6", so I had it lowered, but it was pretty much just like this bike. And it was that flat black. That flat black, that they called it the black denim, and it's kind of funny because you see cars and stuff painted like that. But yeah, when I got it, it was the, you know, that first edition of those bikes that they did that black denim look. All right, we're actually gonna get that push up now. I'm gonna take one off here. Up 535 now. I'm gonna take off weekly returns bears. Nitrins. Oh, thanks, Charles Jolly. Yeah, they're pretty sweet. Back in 05 or 06, whenever I bought that thing. Wild Hogs. Remember cutting the baffles out of the sporty exhaust with a hole saw? Yeah. The thing was loud. A couple of them 1200s, 06 and 07 customs. Nice. Yeah, that thing was loud. Loud. You ever Triumph Triple 1100? Yeah, I don't have any bikes. Well, actually, I do. I have a 1973 Honda CB 750 Cafe Racer that is a project, and it's sitting in my shed right here that I haven't managed to get going. It kind of looks like this CB 750, and I got it running pretty good, but I got to redo the brakes, and the carburetor's got to be synced, and so I got the bars lowered, I got the seat like this, I got my pipes wrapped, and then I need to it's painted orange though. It's like someone painted a tank Honda orange, not a Honda orange. It's almost like a Harley orange, which is kind of funny. And I don't think I'm gonna keep it that color, but yeah, it's just sitting in my shed. I bought that thing 10 years ago. CBs are the best. Yeah, it's a super cool bike. That's the thing, when I get on that bike, even if I just get it started and I just putt up and down the road a little bit just to run it, even though it's not finished, it's just something about, you know, when you have a really expensive Harley, like, you know, $25,000 Harley, and it's like you're so cautious with it, like you don't want to scratch it, you don't want to, you're just real careful with it, you know. When you have a older bike like that, it's nice because you care about it, but you don't have to be as cautious around it. I remember getting my new Harley and taking the handlebars off because I had the straight bars, and then when I went to put my ape hangers on, so I'm installing my ape hangers, and I put the clamp on, and I didn't quite tighten it enough, so I got off it and I went to get something. Probably reached for my beer, to be honest with you. I don't really know. And all of a sudden the bars somehow like came down and like smacked the tank, and the thing was brand new. And it put just a little bit of a scuff in the tank, and I was like, oh my god. It's like my heart was like, ugh. All right, we're getting that push up here finally. 27,094, where we're at. The Boys season 5, Zabak. I haven't watched it yet. Is that with Bobby Lee? Is Bobby Lee in The Boys? Oh no, that's the superhero one. I was thinking about something else. I don't know what I'm thinking of. Five-minute Harami finally paid out. Let me see. Yeah, it sort of is. It sort of did, didn't it? Yeah. Very, very, very nasty price action. I mean, looking at these 5-minute outside bars, those didn't even work really well. 2-minute, this one failed. This one worked. This one's working. 2-minute outside bars. I'm gonna take another one off here. Currently up 652 on this count. Do we actually push up and fill the gap? Or is it just gonna double top? Well, the nice thing is I'm over the trailing drawdown on the Rapid account. So that's a nice thing. I'm still sitting in this pretty much the same trade. So this is the funded Rapid, and I just crossed over the trailing drawdown, which is a nice thing at the moment. All things could change here. But then looking for that daily payout. I'm actually going to take one off on that as well. Got to get up to $2,600 on My Funded Futures Rapid to take out 500 bucks. So, is this a level 2 data? No, it's not. This is the histogram, Christoph. It's just a histogram. It's free. It's if you just click up here and just show histogram, it should pop up. So so these are orders that actually already got filled. The way I traded is that I look for zero prints on it. How much of the Rapid counts now? Do I like them? Yeah, I do like them. Most of my payouts that I've gotten on them. The nice thing is I like the daily payout, instant payout. So these payouts are all 15th, the 13th, the 10th. All these payouts are from the Rapids. So these are all Rapid payouts here. And I like them because you can see sub-seconds on the payout. Now the only thing I don't like about them, but it's intraday trailing. I mean, but I'm so used to trading intraday trailing with Take Profit Trader and Apex that it doesn't really bother me. So the builder account has the end of day, but it's not really like the daily payout account because you only can get payout every 48 hours. With this Rapid, it's every 24 hours. But Take Profit Trader end of day accounts, I mean, trade day end of day accounts are pretty sweet, and so aren't Tradeify's. Tradeify end of day accounts are not too bad. I haven't got a payout on them yet though. Something I do want to work on. All right, we're gonna fill the gap. Come on, do it. Do it. One time. Oof. Rug pull at the 27,100. What is it doing, market? Playing games. I can't believe I've essentially been in this trade the whole stream. This has been pretty common for me lately. Unless the, unless the market, so if you guys are just tuning in, some of you guys are new listeners, sometimes I'm trading, 10, 15 trades in a 2-hour session, but every once in a while I end up getting in a trade and I'm in it for the majority of the stream if the market's real slow and I catch the right direction. So in case you guys are just tuning in for the first time, welcome, by the way. Thank you for subscribing. I'm here every single night, 5:45 Eastern time, 5:45 Eastern time PM till right around 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. Eastern time. I usually call it quits. So usually do about a 2.5 hour, 2 hour and 15 minute, 2.5 hour stream every single night. Then I stream every single morning at 10 a.m. Eastern time for My Funded Futures TV for 30 minutes. So come check that out as well. And smash the notification bell, and I might just hop on it before My Funded Futures stream every once in a while in the morning like I did this morning. I was up, I was alert, sun was shining, and I was just feeling it. So sometimes I'm not feeling it. Sometimes I'm just like, I don't want to do anything before I hop on stream. I sit there and drink tea and death scroll my phone usually. Market, I can't. It's such a crime scene. It really is. Coop in the house. Thinking about grabbing a builder in a Tradeify 25K account. Yeah, 25K's Tradeify's with a 40% off. Pretty good deal. What do they come to? Like $65, I think, all in. Some of these Tradeify accounts. I think if you're using code PINE. Yeah, it's pretty freaking good deal. Yeah, the select account, $65. And that's the one, if you pass, you can select which one you want. So daily or flex account. So daily payouts or 5 days for the flex. $600 max payout, but you know what? That's not too bad. The $500 daily loss limit, a little tough. I wish they would get rid of, on all 25Ks, I wish they would just get rid of the daily loss limits on every company. I wish they would do it, but because that would be sweet. But yeah, use code PINE. Thank you very much. Not this. You don't want to use code DoorDash. I mean, what? No, use code PINE so I can buy DoorDash. Thank you. Oh yeah, I was checking the Discord. I get distracted. We'll also put the Discord link in the chat if you guys want to join the Discord. Thank you guys for, yeah, Apple Mouse. Here's a link to the Discord. It's free if you guys want to join. I love to see that people are hanging out and talking now, so I appreciate that. I figure the more people that get in there, the more people are going to chat. And the idea for the Discord is just to have the community be self-sufficient and have it going all the time. My Discord kind of sucks in that way, but it's getting better. It's getting better. It's getting better. All right, we're gonna get that push up this. So I'm looking for 102.25. 103 is where I actually have the gap, the open gap. Bottom of the hour here. Oh, you're 14 minutes behind. Did I like the bars way up? I did. Yeah. The only time the ape hangers were hard and difficult to ride is when you're in a parking lot. It could be a little bit trickier, but I love the leverage that you get. So it's like, you know, when you're just pushing and you're cruising around and cutting through corners and stuff, it was nice. Yes, I used to break the law, especially being as short as I am. Yo, Jim. Especially being as short as I am. I definitely used to break the law. So when I saw a cop coming my way, I would just push up on the pegs on my feet. So I'd push up, and then I could get it so it was right about level with my shoulders. So I had ape hangers on that bike, and then I had straight bars on that other bike. Wow, we're not gonna get that push up through? Not yet anyway. Still up on this account, 582. Just coming back and testing that VWAP once again. Unbelievable. Pretty bearish candle there on the 2-minute chart. How's everyone else doing tonight? You guys green, you red, you just sitting there watching? Tradeify is giving 5% off more on bundle of 5. Can get 5 selects for 310 bucks. Growth at 282. Nice. Yeah, thank you for bringing that up, Shaitan. I feel like people haven't taken advantage of that, and I haven't really promoted that. But yeah, you can get 5 Tradeifys if you buy a bundle of 5, you can get an extra 5% off plus the discount code. So what, 45% off if you use code PINE. So just hanging out just because you take Thursday and Friday off. Dan, thanks, man. Yeah, that's kind of how I feel like I'm doing tonight too, just hanging out. No follow through either direction. Mopar, no. Speaking of Mopar, I gotta get rid of my Dodge truck. I'm gonna find someone to haul that sucker off. It's become a lawn ornament. Oh, I agree. Yeah, Dan. Yeah, I like my Toyota for sure. All right, outside bar here. Let's get a break above 94 now. Just keep throwing diesel into $7.36 a gallon. Yeah, I know. I asked my father the other day, I'm like, I go, you haven't been driving your truck much. He's like, yeah, $6 a gallon. You got rid of your 2015 Chrysler 300. Believe it or not, I made profit on it. Oh, let's go. Green 216 tonight on the eval. Come on, let's break that 95, 94. I might even add into this to get that break above. Come on, get up there. I'm gonna add into this. I'm adding into this again. I'm gonna still look for 102.25. Up 627. I mean, if we get up there, we're gonna get real close to that 50% consistency again. I mean, it's tried to go down a few times and it just does not want to, but it's also not going up, right? So I feel okay about still going for this open gap. Now it might push up Asia open, or I might absolutely get wrecked. But you know, this is a setup where this outside bar got broken, so I'm just kind of adding into the trade. A little heavy though, a little heavy. Pretty boring price action, to be honest with you guys. I wish it could be better, but it's not. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys hanging out, that's for sure, because it's not very exciting. But we're making money a little bit. Trying. So I've seen it before, about 15 minutes to 10 minutes before the Asia Open. I've seen it run these gaps before. Now, is it going to happen tonight? It doesn't have to, but I've seen it, where all of a sudden we were sitting through this, sitting through it, and then we're like looking for a gap to get filled, and then all of a sudden it decides like, all right, now it's gonna run it. Just before the Tokyo Open. So place your bets, flip the coin. We're going heads, we're going long. Came back from 400 down to up over 80. Let's go, Eric. I'm in 5 minutes. 5 minis from 84 on TPT eval, Willie. Good luck to you. That's a good entry. 84. I like that entry. Really want to see this pump. I'm too invested. Sim invested. Yeah. $20 more minutes. Need that bazooka candle. I thought we were going to get it again here, and then it rejected back down. Pushed right up to, had that the psych level at 27,100. Rug pulled it. Came crashing right back down. We have a session low at 27.66 too. Way down here that hasn't been tested yet. Market opened up and tested this candle's wick, and then it's just consolidated. It's kind of doing the up and to the right a little bit. I don't know. I wouldn't want to be short, and I wouldn't want to be long. I want to be done. Wait for New York Open. Maybe something more exciting happens during Japan Open. Yeah. $27.91. Hanging out. What's gold up to? Gold just fading lower. What is CL? I know CL was looking like it wanted to push down. Yeah, the 5-minute chart, it started to push down. But then it's just gone sideways. The whole market is dead. If we don't go here, people will get tired of diddling. Yeah, I know. It's definitely diddling in the middle at this point. Market can really wear on you when you're sitting here just staring at the market when it's not moving and you're in a position and it's just not doing anything. All right, right at my entry here, I ended up adding off that outside bar. So my average entry is 27.9125. 3 minis. Looking for 102. In case you're just tuning in, I've been essentially in this long, just kind of scaling in and out since the market opened. Looking for the gap fill. Do you see a little something something? It just popped up about 2 points. If you scroll way big, it looks like we're really moving. So if you do this like Methodical Man does, I think he has his chart. I think he has his chart on like a 60-inch flat screen because his candles are like this big. I wonder if he's listening tonight. He's usually listening in. Well, there's no wife, Big Mike. That's the problem. There's no wife. I'm here solo tonight. That's the problem. So what do? We just trade. If I get off now, I just go get a drink. Which is not bad. It's all good, Big Mike. It's all good. All right, right back to the entry here. Yeah, Big Mike, as soon as I close this out, it's gonna shoot right up. Just the luck of the draw, you know. Do I also trade Belanox? I do, but I don't trade with Rhythmic right now. So when they had Project X, I traded with them a lot. Yeah, I do have a code with them, Belanox, code Pine. There we go. All right, the new 15-minute candle. Two-minute outside bar as well. Let's break above that 97, 98 on that 2-minute outside bar. We might actually test the high. I mean, I'm not looking for much. Called it. Yeah, I know. If I would have closed right there, I'd have been so mad. At this point, like you said, I'm up good on the account. It's an eval, so if I hit 102.25 on the My Fund Future account, I'll get a daily payout too. So there is that. So there is a little something at stake. Hey, what's up, John Sharp in the house? Do they have the same rule as Apex so that you can pay out yourself till 42,100? No, it's more than that actually. It's God, it's been so long since I've gotten the Belanox payout. You guys refresh my memory. I think is it 3,200? You can take out 600 or something like that. 5,200, 600. Yeah, that's what it is. 2,600. Well, it's been a while. When's the last Belanox payout I got? It's been... Yeah, it was January. I got a Belanox payout. Then I got rid of Project X, so I stopped trading with them because I don't trade on Rhythmic anymore. I just keep everything on Trade-Evate or some sort of mobile platform. Well, that's the only reason, just because I don't want to mess with the Rhythmic. I would love for them to get TradeC or something like that again, or Trade-Evate. I'd love that. Besides that, they're good. Really good customer support with Belanox, believe it or not. If you message Belanox, they'll get right back to you. Come on, give me 102.25. Come on. You trade Rhythmic through Ninja, Imagine through Trade-Evate as well. Yeah, I think you can. I think that there's a way to use the copy trader as well, but They it's actually against Buellanox rules to use to copy trade other prop accounts with Buellanox. Not that I don't know how they would know, which I don't think they would, but it actually is against their rules. They have that weird rule that you're not supposed to copy trade them with other props, but I know everyone does. So you could use the copy trader and like Trade Syncer or something like that to copy trade Rhythmic to trade with Trade of 8, I believe. Is it gonna get up there? Hey, Bella in the house. What's up, Bella? Bella, what's going on? Looking for this gap fill. What's up, Spaces? 102.25. Let's get it. 10 minutes before the Asia Open. Gold barcoding, Genie. Yeah, it just kind of faded all night, didn't it? All right, is it gonna pull down here? We got 9 minutes for the Tokyo Open. I'd love to get this smashed before the Open. A few minutes here. I have a feeling I'm gonna sleep good tonight. Oof. A little selling action there. Get a little gap on the 2 minute here. I'm in heavy now, 5. All right, just took one off there, a little gap. Up 800 now. I don't even need that much now, right? No, yeah, I still do. I'm gonna take the majority off before the Tokyo Open, just to be safe, I think. All right, I got one left. Up 722, unrealized. And I'm just gonna place like a $250 stop, right? So I'm still gonna be green on the night. If it pushes up, fills that gap, then win-win. If it comes down and smacks the 81 below this little range, then we're still up about 500. It's gonna pop up on the hour close bind. Yeah, I hope so. If I do, I'll get a payout. If I do, I'll get another payout. So I'm hoping it pushes up to 102.25. close that gap. Puro in the house. What's up, Puro? Chart Dad. Looks like a trap sabak. Yeah, it does. Rising triangle. Just nasty price action, guys. All right, what do we got? 4.5 minutes. Can we get that push up now? If you guys are just tuning in, I see some new people coming in. I've been long this whole session. Currently up right around 700 bucks unrealized. Put up 700. And I don't even know how. And if we get to 102.25, then I'll get another daily payout. So that'll be like something crazy, like I don't even know. I feel like 14 daily payouts in a row or something like that. What's the name of the indicator? So there's two, but there's LDT inside outside bars. That just highlights the inside and outside bars. LDT inside outsides. And Finet fair value gap is the other one I use, which is these lines here. It highlights 50% of a fair value gap. So and then it puts a line. So when you have a fair value gap, it just puts a line at 50%. So I'll use that sometimes too. All right, little wick down action, which is probably not a bad thing. Let's grab some volume up. All right, countdown begins. Tokyo Open. Can we push up just before the open? It would not hurt my feelings. Break that 100. Go to 102.25. Place your bets. This thing is market's putting me to sleep. All right, here we go. Come on. A little inside, outside bar break. 2 minute. 2 minutes before Tokyo. All right, final minute coming up. We know Bella's there buying over in Korea. She's over there buying it up. Come on, get it pushed to 102.25. Come on, come on. Autumn 9 in the house. What's up, Autumn 9? Tokyo Open here, 10 seconds. All kinds of fireworks. Look at this. Just fireworks. Testing the VWAP. Chick-fil-A. Pulled out 5 seconds before. Probably should have too. Pushing down here. Well, I'm about over it. Stopped out. And no daily payout for me. Not yet. Well, I don't know. I'm up 450, 445 on this account. I am unrealized down 400 on my funded. So up 445 on the eval, down 445 on the funded. I'd like to have it the opposite, but it is what it is. But yeah, I'm over it. I think I'm over it, guys. Yeah, I'm done. Might get that push back up. That would be nice. Put in this Harami here. How can I get that manual lock Kato? It's only for certain props. So only certain prop firms have it, unfortunately. So it depends on which ones you use. But yeah, thank you guys for hanging out. Just a reminder, Apex is running that 90% off, $69 on for the PA fee. Ends tomorrow night, and that's for a 50K intraday trailing account. So Apex is running a sale on that. Everything else is 90% off though. And then, yeah, thank you for using code PINE if you'd like to help support this channel. Thank you for using code PINE with My Funded Futures, Lucid, Take Profit Trader. You guys see it up top on the banner, or you can just click on my website pinned to the chat, propcodeshub.com. So it has all the links there. I'm still long on this account. Scared though. I mean, kind of heavy. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it there. I am down. I got $500 left in drawdown on the My Funded Futures Rapid, which kind of sucks. The intraday kind of got me. I have to close out there because I think we actually are gonna push down. So I tried to go heavy in there. Don't have much drawdown left on that, but that's okay. It is what it is. We got a trade day payout today, $600, money in the bank, and we'll do it again tomorrow. So it feels bad, but it's all good. It's part of the prop space game. All right, we'll see you tomorrow, everyone. Peace. Thanks for tuning in.
Pine Tree Trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle, market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, till the doubt disappeared, then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move, take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list, Apex Trader 5. The profits exist, hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5.